Hello everyone, welcome back to Freshers Now YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about OPTCL Recruitment 2023 notification. Before going into the video, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel yet, subscribe now and be a part of our YouTube family. Don't skip, watch the video till the end. Let's see the overview of this job notification. As we know that the organization which has provided this notification is Odisha Power Transmission Corporation Limited. And post names are Junior Management Trainee Electrical, Junior Maintenance and Operator Trainee, Office Assistant Grade 3 Trainee, Stenographer Grade 3 Trainee. And there are 333 vacancies in this notification. And while looking at the application dates, application starting date is 30 January 2023. You can apply till 28th February 2023. Mode of application is online. You can apply through the official website which is optcl.co.in. Let's see the vacancy details. As we discussed in the above, there are 333 vacancies in this notification and they are categorized by 70 vacancies for Junior Management Trainee Electrical, 200 vacancies for Junior Maintenance and Operator Trainee, 53 vacancies for Office Assistant Grade 3 Trainee, 10 vacancies for Stenographer Grade 3 Trainee. And while looking at the educational qualification required for this post, candidates who are willing to apply for Junior Management Trainee Electrical post must have Diploma in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from recognized university. And for the post Junior Maintenance and Operator Trainee, candidates should have completed HSC from recognized board or equivalent qualification and ITI certificate in electrician trade from NCVT. And for post Office Assistant Grade 3 Trainee, candidate should have completed graduation from a recognized university. And for Stenographer, candidate must have completed graduation from recognized university. Let's see the salary details. For the post Junior Management Trainee Electrical, candidates will be get a pay scale of 44,900 rupees. And for Junior Maintenance and Operator Trainee post, candidates will be get a pay scale of 22,700 rupees to 72,000. And while looking at the age limit, the minimum age to apply for this post is 18 years and candidates should not exceed 30 years. This is all about OPTCL Recruitment 2023 notification. The officials has not yet been released the full-length notification. If you want to download the short notification, link has been provided in the description. And candidates who are willing to apply for this post, official website link also provided in the description, which is www.optcl.co.in. I hope this video is useful for you. If you have any queries, comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.